Sorry guys, sorry. Got a bloody phone call right before the stream started. Guys, get some music playing. Damn, we got ADP in like a minute. My bad. Turn that up a little bit. Oof, ADP in a minute. 5k? That's it? 5k? Yeehaw, hello. Oh, that's very low for ADP. Very low for ADP. That's super low. Okay. Perfect. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna wait for ADP and then we'll do a breakdown of gold. But did anyone catch these buys back up into Asian range today? I did, and I closed around here, 42.09, 42, this candle here. Because oh man, I'm annoyed now because it just kept on going. Ooh, what's these numbers looking like? Oh, gold is pushing. It's gonna push right back up, isn't it? Come on, gold, don't do us like this. Don't know numbers yet. Minus 32k. That is not good. Very bad numbers. Very bad numbers. So less than expected is usually supposed to be bullish. Less than expected is, oh yeah, it's bearish for USD, therefore bullish for gold. That makes sense. So actual greater is good for the currency, which is the dollar. Wow. Wow. Right, so this morning I'll tell you what I was looking at, why I took these gold buys, but I thought let me get out before NY. I like to come into the new session with a fresh bias and all of that. So I saw gold around here and I thought, okay, we closed below Asian lows. This candle happened, we didn't really drive down, it still created a lower high on the 30-minute. We finally closed below again, then had this little bullish candle which couldn't really push much above the daily flip. Now initially this current candle, it drove down first. Now there's one thing with continuation patterns, which is, I don't want to say it's 50-50 because it's not 50-50. It's more, I want to say 80-20. I want to say it's more 80-20. That if the continuation pattern plays out too quick, then a lot of the time, so say it plays out right at the beginning of the candle, then price can come back up. Now it had barely a top wick on this candle, so it pushed down and then it came back up. Didn't quite close back in Asian range, but we created this support and gold was holding at this support. So I took some buys, this candle here as it started to push up, and I took another entry once it broke this high, and then I ended up closing because price was struggling to break this resistance. So I thought, let me close. I saw this continuation pattern, and then gold just, by the time I looked back, gold had already pushed up, and I was like, oh, continuation pattern right up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I think gold retests Asian highs. You know, we've got quite a strong resistance up here. If it breaks, maybe you can continue to push, because this level here is also a 4-hour resistance. Bear in mind, we do have some news later as well. Got services PMI 2. But looking at the 4-hour, so look, the daily's now bullish. No, let me keep that on the 4-hour. So daily is now bullish, very far from yesterday's lows. 4 hours created a higher low. We need to see how this candle closes, but we could be getting a higher low here, maybe a higher high as well. Need to see how we react to this level, and then yeah, take it from there. I think you like gold buyers, Haroon. I like gold buys as well. That's a crazy comment about Arsenal that I just saw. That's funny. That's funny. That must have been our B team. That must have been an Arsenal B team. That's the Arsenal B team right there. You couldn't do that to our A team. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. But this news is very good for gold. I just need to see how much it pushes up now. Hold on. Alright, let's see what gold does if it gets back to the top of the range. Front door. My internet playing up. But man, this was a really nice push up into this Asian range, you know, in gold. Just gotta wait now for this, potentially for this 4-hour candle to close, because I mean, even this candle is a nice closure above. To push all the way up, that would have been nice. Rosie, Echo, afternoon guys. Anyone taking any trades today? Any trades? Anybody? Anyone catch any moves? Gold is gone, man. I took scout buys earlier. Nice. got hurt yesterday when gold fell. Oh man, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. So I had my appointment, but I came back, and when I came back, I saw gold at like, what did I see? In the 80s, 41.80. I was like, what the hell happened there? Alright, so this was it here. Now, I'm pissed I wasn't streaming, because I was meant to be streaming at this time. Because honestly, we probably would have been in on this candle on the way down, because it's the same thing that happened the other day. It's the same thing that pretty much happened the other day, in terms of we were waiting for gold to break Asian highs. It didn't, so it retested Asian highs. The next candle, now, if we look at it like this, gold was down here, yeah, pushed up, cool. I think I was getting, yes, I got off the stream when gold started pushing. And I remember this candle had no bottom wick. This is the new 4-hour candle with no bottom wick. Had resistances here, and obviously a resistance at the high, yeah. Now, gold did close above, but we respected the Asian highs. This candle, it didn't break this high, so there would have been no entry. I would have had a buy stop here. No, maybe I might have had a buy stop here, but remember, no bottom wick on this candle, which happened the other day. Once we close back in this range like this, it's kind of like a fake out, because we closed above the resistance, then we closed right back below. Textbook fake out. And then boom, would have been a big stop, probably here again, which is pretty similar to the other day, and then sell back down to, me, I would have aimed for Asian lows, getting at the break of the low. Crazy. I don't even know how fast this candle dropped, to be fair, but this would have been the trade. And then as the price was pushing down, you know, reduced the stop loss, you know, most likely closed partials here, and then just let the runner run and then get out. I think that would have been the play. When I saw it, I was like, man. Now, even though the 4-hour broke this high, remember, it broke the highs with no bottom wick, so we had to come down and make this bottom wick. So in making that bottom wick and creating a longer one, the sells would have been perfect. Perfect. Why did I leave? Perfect. Did anyone catch the sells? Morning, Ash. Morning. You caught the sales, Benny? Yeah, I think I saw that in the Discord. I saw you put it in the Discord. You got out at, where was it? 42.04, did you say? Or 03? Is it like here? How you feeling, Ash? I meant to ask you yesterday how you was doing, but I was too amused by that story. I was too amused. And then I was talking to Naza after. What else do you have? Need to pop this chat out properly. Hold on. There we go. Lovely. Yeah, caught the sells at 42.23. Okay, nice. Still got this code. Oh my god, Naser sounds awful. She said she has no voice, but you know what she's like. That don't stop her from talking. It's just like, huh? That's the whole conversation. Huh? What did you say? Whispering down the mic. So yeah, man. Yo, Naser sneezed on me Thanksgiving. Whoever sneezed in my direction. I was. Wait, are you blaming her for your cold? Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? That's what it sounds like to me. That's what it sounds like. Yo, I think everyone around your area is just sick. Could all be. Nah, do you know what? I'm not gonna call it the C words. I'm not gonna call it the C word. Alright, golds. No bottom wick. What's the likelihood of gold retesting this resistance and then we get a pullback again? What do you reckon, guys? What do you reckon? Get a 4-hour top wick. Yes, yeah, that's the word. That's the word. I mean, is it still around? People still catching COVID? It's crazy. It's crazy. I'm in two minds about the direction of gold because I didn't expect this bearish candle yesterday. I didn't expect it at all. Like I didn't. I thought once this candle closed bullish, like this bullish, I expected a push up, especially with respecting this previous resistance level as well. But then when we started pushing, I was like, oh, it's coming down. But then look how the 4-hour closed. It's still closed respecting this same or this new support that it's created, resistance turns support, and now we've been holding above. So I'm thinking maybe we're gonna start, either it's gonna be a slow trickle up or we're just gonna range until FOMC next week, interest rates, but we get these massive wicks, but we played a range like we did a little while ago last month. So that's kind of what I'm thinking might happen. Kind of thinking that might happen. I hope we don't range. I mean, I hope we don't. We have so much news as well, so maybe. But the thing is, news doesn't really. I don't think any news that's coming out now is going to be like super high impact in terms of the direction of gold, unless it sways interest rates. So if something comes out and then they say, because of this news, we're not gonna drop the rates now, then I think we'll see gold drop. But I don't think any of the news that's due to come out is gonna have a strong enough impact to change that. Because what else have we got? We've got services PMI later, unemployment claims, PCE price index and consumer sentiment, jolts. So those are the news that we have coming out. So jobs news and some consumer news on Friday. I don't think this news, maybe core PCE price index, maybe, because it's kind of like inflation. It's a type of inflation news right here. But yeah. Gold coming back for that bottom wick. No bottom wick on the hour at 41.91 from when price started pushing up late yesterday afternoon. I thought we might get it when we had this little spike down here, because this candle, it kind of popped and then pushed back up. And this is the start of the new 4-hour candle. But like I said, when it started to push down, the 4-hour didn't have much of a top wick. And that's another thing I'm noticing too. When the 4-hour starts pushing with no wick, you usually, or recently, we've been getting reversals when it's coming back to make that wick. We're getting a reversal for that 4-hour candle. It's happened a couple times recently. That's I mean, if we get the sales, that'd be a nice little drop. Gold can drop that much. Quick peek at GJ. Look, you can tell I haven't really given GJ no thought today. I did see pound yen this morning, like up here. Then once I got the closure above and then it pushed, I was like, yeah, I missed that. I did take a look at NAS. So do you remember yesterday I was saying with NAS100, I thought the daily would come up to I thought we'd come up to this daily resistance. So we didn't quite get there. Didn't quite get there, but came very close. Came very, very, very close. But look at this price action. Like, what is this? Look at this. I think this is the same time gold dropped. Or it's just after, but mad, mad. These candles are very unforgiving. Look how big this is. So today I want gold to tap this resistance, tap into this level, and then drop back down. So essentially just playing this range. Now in the next 20 minutes, if gold can close above this resistance, so above 42.25, really I would need it to clear all of these. I would need it to clear these wicks to the left as well, honestly. So I'm looking at a good 100 pips, because if it closes below, I can see gold wicking up, creating another wick in this area, and then selling back down. I can see that. In fact, so we got services PMI at 3. Let's look at the last time we had services PMI, November the 5th. Let's see, November the 5th. So was it good numbers, bad numbers? So good numbers. Gold, looks like gold dropped. Let's check the 15. Sometimes the 15. You can see the start of the candle. Alright, so this would have been it here. So we had a bearish candle, some indecision, and then the next 15-minute candle pushed up. Pushed up, and then gold sort of continued up very slowly for the rest of the day. So bad numbers, no, good numbers was initially bearish for gold, and then gold continued bullish basically. So it sounds like immediately it had a reaction to the news as expected. So good numbers bearish, and then it went back to the original trend. They're expecting 52, which is usually good for the currency. So that might help us with some gold sales today, maybe. Although I would like sales, I kind of see an inverted head and shoulders on the 1 hour. Let's see. So where do you see that? Where's the... Give me the prices of the two shoulders, because would this be the shoulders here? I wouldn't even mind if this 4 hour pushed up, then closed back below, leaving a nice long top wick. The next 4 hour, respect this high, respect the high, and then sell back down. How long we got? 15 minutes till this 4-hour candle closes. Through picking a Discord, got you. Just managed to scalp 30 pips up and out. Nice. Let's see. Oh, do you know what? I'm so dumb. I was thinking oh yeah, I see it. Do you know what? I was thinking inverted head and shoulders. As in coming down, not going up. I see the potential, I see the potential. My only thing is this damn, this 4-hour resistance, Asian highs, these rejection wicks to the left. But if gold, like I said, if gold can clear this, then all good for the buyers. I'm here for it. Wherever the market gives me. But yeah, I like it. I would rather sell, but if we break yesterday's high wick wise, then I'll consider buys. You know what, with gold breaking wicks on a 4-hour now, it's kind of losing its confirmation for me, because yesterday I was anticipating a push up after this massive support formed here. But we broke the high, tapped into this resistance, and then sold all the way back down. So I mean, we can break highs and lows. Gold don't give a shit. Gold don't care right now, man. Even this candle, this current candle broke the low, but I think one of the things is how quick does it break the previous high or low. Because in these instances, this happened very quick. So this 4-hour candle, it opened, where am I? This is where it opened pretty much in the 30 minutes, broke the low, came back up towards the end of the candle. Same like here, you know, we opened, broke the highs, came back down. So, and I mean, even the daily, broke the low, came right back up. Oh, I keep yawning. Tested London high. GJ is just pumping. Oh my goodness. GJ, where you going exactly? This is off topic. That Diddy doc. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Bruh. And Benny put, you're gonna watch Diddy's doc. So everyone's got the same thoughts right now. Yo, of course I'm watching that. What? What? I am 100% watching that documentary. 100%. Did you see 50 Cent on the news talking about it? Who let this man on the news to talk about this documentary? Oh wait, is it out? Is it out already? No way, it's out already. Oh my god, it is out. Sean Combs, The Reckoning. It's number 2. Oh yeah, it's happening. Yep, I'm gonna watch it today. You said it's so good. Yo, 50 Cent went on, I can't remember what, he went on like a morning show, and they said, I don't know if you've seen the clips, and he said something about, they said, is it like a personal thing? Is it a vendetta you have against him? He was smiling the whole way through, and they showed a clip of the documentary where Diddy was out in the streets. He was in Harlem. He was like dapping people up, giving people hugs, yeah. And then after that, he got back in his car and he was like, oh man, I need some sanitizer. I must have hugged like 150 people. And then 50 was just like, I wanted people to see, like, you know what I mean? This is how he thinks after just touching people. He thinks like, I was cracking up. He is, yeah, crazy. Yeah, that was the clip. That they showed that clip, and then 50 saying like, this is him. This is how he feels after touching all these people. Like he needs to, like he's dirty. I'm like, yo. Apparently, Diddy's not happy about this documentary, but I mean, who would be? Who would be? Oh, I'm looking forward to it. All right, so 7 minutes left. He's part of the elite now, man. Oh, this is a nice push. Oh, see, I said this is what I wanted. I wanted the 4 hour to clear these wicks to the left. But now in the next 7 minutes, if gold decides to pull back and leave a wick like these candles right here, if gold comes back and leaves the top wick, I think we get sells. But it looks right now like this 1 hour head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, is going to play out. Yeah, this might be gone. I'm so bear in mind I got out my buyers down here. I got out my buyers down here. Down here. And I was anticipating that gold was going to fill this range and get to Asian highs, but it's structure wise, because the 30-minute had these lower highs right here and it didn't break like the last one, I was like, I'm not sure if it's going to push just yet, or I thought it might be a slow push and I'll be able to get in a bit lower. But we just got 3 straight bullish 30-minute candles. Gone. Gone. Oh man, why did I scalp the buy? For real. But I mean, what was your TP? You got in, got out. To be honest, if I was in these buys, if I held my buys, I would have been out. I would have hit my TP anyway. I would have been out at 42.26. I would have been out of there. Out of there. Man. Alright, golds. Leave some for us. It's leaving no crumbs. What do you reckon? We're getting some new highs today? Oh, nah, a new high. Oh, highs are over here. Nah, I'll take that back. I'll take that back. Nope. Yeah, 26 was my level. Oh, okay. I mean, it's a good place to get out. It's a good place to get out, to be honest. Yesterday's high broken. Gold is moving. If the hour closes above 42.26, bull transition in structure. I mean, it's looking like we're definitely closing above, unless we pull back 100 pips in the next 3 minutes, which isn't impossible, but I kind of think it's unlikely now. That'd be a massive pullback if it did drop, but yeah, I don't know. I kind of don't see it. I don't see it with this current candle. Maybe the new 4-hour might not might continue to push, but the only way I'll get into sells is if gold closes back below this resistance and Asian highs. Then I think we get some sells down. But let's see, if you got the neckline down here, so let's do, oh shoot, I meant to do that, go around here-ish, because that's the break. 570 pips, I mean, that's the head and shoulders patterns. We got a way to go. Kind of just broke the neckline. Back to 4300s. So we have news again in an hour. Yes, we do. Services PMIs. We do indeed. I'm hearing stuff in my house. Ghosts. You might be on a bullish run. You might be on a bullish run. Ooh. Gold cannot do the same thing every day. I mean, it can, but I hope it doesn't. If this candle just pushes up with no bottom wick on the 4 hour, we could get a repeat of yesterday. We could get a repeat of yesterday, which is this right here. Broke the highs to the left, broke 4 hour highs very quickly, pushed up. I mean, this was a 170 pips push up, and look, broke the high immediately, tapped into this 4 hour resistance and then came back down. So I'm not against gold sells, I'm not, but this candle would need to push up. The next candle would have to come back down, but I think there might be an opportunity. Nah, sales won't be for a few couple candles, I think. Let's go wait and see how they close. But in terms of buys, if I was going to take buys, I still need a retracement anyway, because this has been a massive break of this, a massive breakout, and I like a retest after a breakout. A retest of that neckline would be nice. Yes, I like that idea. Retest of at least Asian highs. Look, they're nearly the same. We need to make a nice 4 hour bottom wick as well. See what NAS is doing, since we're gonna open to ooh, okay, Nasdaq is dropping. Wow, this is interesting. 3 minutes. God damn. Gold coming back for that bottom wick. Nice, nice. Give us that retest, gold. Give us that retest. Gold coming down. Yes, it is. Down to where? I want a retest of either 42.29, 42.27. Shall we scalp it? I don't know about we. I don't know about we. I don't, nah. Nah. I mean, I would like for it to come down there. This could just be the bottom wick. It might not even come down that all the way. It might not. I need to wait and see. I mean, the way these 4 hour candles have been pulling back. Now, if this candle for some lovely reason takes its time and over the next 25 minutes decides to close below, I'm looking for the sell straight. But if it pulls back, retest this resistance, and then closes above 42.29, I'm looking at some buys. What's stopping me from buyers right now is all of this to the left, this noise to the left. Maybe if I got a closure above this resistance, I'd be looking at some buys, but there's a lot of levels to the left. Look at that, tapped right into this 1 hour resistance. Wait, where'd I have that level? 40, 35. So this one. You know what? I'm gonna make this a zone. Let's make it a zone. There we go. M5 looks good to scalp. It does, it does. Ooh. Now this is happening quite early on into this candle. Sorry. Damn, look at this drop. Look at this drop. Well, we made that bottom wick, didn't we? Give me 1 second, guys. Hold on. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think gold to come down this low, you know. I didn't think gold would come down this low. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was expecting, you know, a retest, but You know, I keep talking about getting these sells, but I needed to wait for this candle to close, and it still has 20 minutes left. So this could just be, it could still be a bottom wick. That M5 engulfing gave a little signal. I also believe it could be the bottom wick, but that was another big M5 candle. It's a massive candle. Look at that. What's that? 170 pips? Quick maths? 150? Man. Yeah, I need. Oh, look at that. 15-minute engulfing. Oh. I need this 30-minute to close below. If this 30-minute closes down here, then I think I'm looking at some sells. Maybe down to the daily flip. On the M5, it retested a demand area. Is this similar to your M5 strategy? Ooh, interesting. Yes, it is. So it would have been a break of that. These would be the highs here. It broke. So then you look at the last candle before, or this whole area. Boom, right here. So, I mean, it's usually the bearish candle, but I like to use the lows in the structure as well. That seems to have worked out a bit better for me. But, yeah, it does look good. If this candle closes bullish, and maybe if we get a couple candles that close above this resistance, then I think the buys will still look good. But I need to wait. I'm waiting for this 30-minute. I'm waiting to see how this 30-minute candle closes, because if we're back in Asian range, I think the sells look legit. But, well, not even but. Other thing is, look at NAS. Why is everything falling? And not that gold has had a massive drop, but this is a huge candle for pre-market. Like, NYSE hasn't even opened yet. Why is it dropping? Let's see if there's anything. 9 hours ago. Hot stories. Breaking news. Anything breaking? No. Nothing. Let's go to I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing. Let's check X. Where's my people? There's this page on X, yeah? there's this page on X that's recently just been trying to expose like brokers. Anyway, let me not get into that right now. Right, they're talking about KOT as well. Interesting. Let's see if there's any news. Breaking: Microsoft lowers AI software sales quotas. It shouldn't have so much weight for NAS though. Hey, look at this pullback. Look at this pullback. How big is this candle? This wick, 85 pips. Oof. What do we reckon, guys? Are we still looking at buys? Are we looking at sells? Talk to me, talk to me. Yeah, I don't see nothing crazy going on. I see no high impact news, but this is a hell of a candle right here. This is a hell of a candle right here. I ain't seen a candle like this pre NYSE open on NAS before. And I don't think this is just a late reaction to news. I don't think this is just a late reaction to news. Let's see. So we had the demand zone right here. Had the demand zone, closed above. How big is this stop loss? 64 pips. But the reason why I wouldn't have taken it, like I said before, is because it's right into this 30-minute resistance. I wouldn't. This is such a significant level right here. I need to see how this 30-minute candle closes. How long we got left? 11 minutes. But what a pullback. And look, right from this 1 hour resistance, gold is looking real all over the place right now. I like these peaks though. This is nice. This could just have been a fake out, you know. Could have just been a fake out. We've had a lot of those recently. There's been a lot of fake outs. A lot of fake outs. But at the same time, look, gold is making higher highs, higher lows. Woo! I'm grateful for the little pips I caught this morning. Can't lie. I'm grateful. Very grateful. Very, very grateful. Man, you know how it goes. Go wait for the last 5 minutes of this 30-minute candle, see what gold's really trying to do. But what do you reckon, guys? Fake out, sells coming. Oh, sorry to keep yawning. I don't know why I'm yawning. I'm not tired. But that's the thing with gold, man. Breaking. It's just something that's been happening recently with this 4 hours. If we break the high too quick, we get these pullbacks. And he said sells incoming. Maybe. Razor, you don't know? What don't you know? The range is small for buyers back up. I agree. Because this is a 1 hour. It's a 1 hour and 30-minute resistance, but I mean, it's a 1 hour. For the 1 hour, it's kind of clean. Above 42.26. It's a pretty clean range up. And how big is this range? It depends on. So the range is 130. It's about 140 pips. So in order for me to take buys up, I would need this candle, this 30-minute candle, or the next one to close back above Asian highs, which actually reduces this range to like 110, 111 pips. But I think if this candle, if we do start pushing up, I do think this 4 hour candle flips and we go all the way back up to, what is this, 42.55, so back up to this resistance anyway. So I would kind of be not ignoring this, but at the same time, if I'm looking at the 4 hour, I'm thinking the 4 hour gets to the resistance. So it gives me 280 pips to play with, I guess. But I mean, I don't know, these buys are looking a bit shaky right now. Looking more sells than buys right now. So we just gotta wait, gotta wait, gotta wait. Echo, what happened? Came back to this bearish candle. Nothing happened. Nothing actually happened. Gold just came back. News isn't for another 30 minutes. Yeah, about 35 minutes. Gold just pulled back. Just gave us the retest. Now I'm waiting to see how this 30-minute candle is going to close. And then we have NYSE open. Ooh, 3 minutes. We closing above Asian highs? Are we? Was this just the bottom wick? Was it 4-hour bottom wick into this wicky area? Oh man, gold. Come on. This is a huge drop. I can't even believe NAS has dropped like this. And GJ2, what's going on? So either two things could be happening. Is, I mean, we're just sort of staying within this range. We're not too bullish on gold. We're not too bearish. So we're having these massive pullbacks. Or we're coming back down to get a better buy price for the news that's coming up in 30 minutes. But even then, I don't think this news is super high impact. I don't think this news is super high impact. Mm. 4225. Looks like we're we're closing back in Asian range. But you know one thing? Look, we haven't broken that previous 30-minute low. We haven't broken this previous 30-minute low. What does this mean? This is a massive candle, you know. Another fake out. Look, doesn't it look just like yesterday? Just like yesterday. But yesterday we had no bottom wick. That's what it was coming back for. But this candle didn't break the low, just like this one. Like the sells at the break look good, yeah, at the break of the low, but I don't know, man. I'm literally in two minds about gold right now. Look at this push back up. Yeah, I'm not convinced. I think the closure back below Asian highs, it closed back below resistance. I think I would have needed like one more confirmation, maybe the like an engulfing, or if it broke the previous candle's low. Do you know what I mean? But at the moment, the last 30-minute candle, it broke the highs and didn't break the low. Do you know what I mean? So it's not, it hasn't showed that the candles are trending bearish. Ooh, let's see now if this 4-hour reflips bullish, re-breaks that previous high, should get a good little push. Ooh, looks like that was just a 4-hour bottom wick. Looks like it. Honestly, I don't know where there would have been a trade today. Not like an entry. Hour gone. Are you flipping bullish? Look at that 4-hour candle. Go on, flip bullish, drive up. Gold's playing all the games today. Damn. Ugh. Kind of looks like a continuation, but that bearish candle's way too big. Way too big. 220 pips, nearly 230 pips. How big is this candle? This candle itself is 170 pips. Yo, gold really moving. This has been, what, 5 minutes? That was a 5-minute candle. These 5-minute candles, man. So it's tapped into that 1 hour resistance again. That's right, it was a huge push. It was 160 pips, just straight up. Market open. I might have to wait till after news, you know. I think that's what's going on here. I don't mind. I really don't mind. Like, I'm looking at my broker prices and I'm looking back at the charts, like, did it really just drop that much? Like, what's good? Yo, what's good with gold, man? What's good with gold? It's just swinging 100 pips up and down. Like, what's... Yeah, this is going to be one of those things where just going to have to wait till after news. I thought I had this letter in my pocket. Pocket rocket. This is a joke, man. It's ridiculous. It's actually ridiculous. It's actually ridiculous. Even I'm scared to scalp this, man. This is not really. This isn't scalpable for me. I was sitting here bummed that I got out of my 42.23 buys and then gold fell back down. Man. Do you know what? The fact that you got out and then it came back, it's like a good sign. You know when you're like, oh, maybe I should have held, and then gold does something like that, it reaffirms why you should close your trades. Do you know what I mean? Lock in your profits and then come back. Do you know what I mean? I don't know what gold's trying to do. Gold is just... Gold is golden right now. This is nasty price action. Happy with what I got. I'm going to wait till after news too. Yes, yes. Don't have long to wait. Not too long anyway. What's that, 20 minutes? 20 minutes. I think I have to at this point. I mean, I don't see any opportunities right now. I really don't. we're playing around Asian highs. We pulled back, we didn't break this low. Even though, like, for a fake out, all I need is a closure above and a closure back below. But the way this wick closed, so closure above, closure back below, but something about this wick, the fact that it didn't break this low, it kind of pulled up close to the resistance. I just weren't feeling it. Either way, I could have only got in if price broke this low. But what I would have liked for gold to do is, once it closed here, come back up, retest maybe just this resistance or maximum Asian highs, and then come down. I would have been in the sells. I would have been in the sells from here. Boom, like just above. If it made a little top wick and came back down, and then I was looking for something like that to happen for the sells. Now at the same time, look, at the same time we got this, you know, inverted head and shoulders, and that doesn't play out until 4,300. So maybe a 1 hour continuation pattern as well. Maybe a 1 hour. It's a very strong previous 4 hour candle, pushing up from a higher low. So I mean, I'm in two minds with golds. I'm in two minds. I can see the potential in both the buys and the sells. That's whatever gives me the best confirmation at this point, which is nothing. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. This demand zone actually played out pretty nice, didn't it? Actually played out pretty nice. It would have been, so we've got the demand zone here. It would have been, I would have taken this entry, maybe a break of this high. Where did it get to? It got to maximum 160 pips. Nah. It's a nice push though. Nice push. Imagine if we get a 30-minute continuation pattern to the downside, if this candle closes weak bullish. Kind of already forgotten what happened with news. Okay, gold pushed down first and then it pushed back up and it continued with the uptrend. That's right. That's right, that's right. Okay, cool. I remember. So we didn't, I mean, we re-broke the 4-hour high, but we didn't really push. What does that mean? What does that mean, guys? What does that mean? But I mean, there's still so much time. There's so much time left in this 4-hour candle. What, three and a quarter hours? We have so much time left, so much time. I remember. Man, so this was just a retest of that 1 hour resistance again? Is that what this is, gold? Is that what's happening here? Wait, so it's a new 15-minute candle opening. Ooh. Look at this 15-minute candle, man. Just wick rejections. Just a massive wick rejection. Not really feeling these little bottom wicks here though, but it wouldn't be my confirmation. The 15. This just becomes 230 pips. My stop loss couldn't be that big. It just couldn't. It couldn't be that big. I already used half a stop loss, like half a lot size. If I reduce, if my stop loss is like 100 pips, but 230 pips. Nah. That's way too big, isn't it? Too much scalping for me today. I've been exiting too quick. Oh no. Oh man. Oh man. These would have been some bangers as well, because that 42.34 went down to what, 42.18. Yeah. So that's what, 140 pips. Ugh. Oh man. Yeah, that's rough. That's rough, I can't lie. I mean, you still caught some. It's not bad. Not bad. This is after the recent fall, not the first one. When it came back and retested that 1 hour resistance again. I mean, the way it's looking, I feel like it's gonna break that previous low and just drop. Ooh, it's a shame that the 30-minute top wick is so big, because I do think once we break this low, we get a nice drive down. But this stop loss is insane, and I can't use the previous 15. This 15 barely has a top wick, so it sucks, because it does confirm the fake out right here. Just risk management wise, it's not ideal. It's not ideal. Actually, we didn't break the previous 1 hour low, did we? Nope, still got a way to go for that. Go on, break the low, drive down, just slam, just boom, right before this news. What do you reckon? Asian lows, little retest the Asian lows. It looks like it wants to go down there. It's annoying when the idea is there, but the setup is just not. I mean, the setup is there. Break of the lows would have been the entry. It's just the stop losses. I have to draw the line. I have a maximum stop loss. It's like 130, 140 pips, but 230 pips. God damn. The price action is just too nasty. Oh look, this 15 has no bottom wick. We might be coming back for some bottom wicks down here. Say no more. Say no more. Let's go. Go get your bottom wicks. You go get your bottom wicks, gold. You get you your bottom wicks. Five minute divergence made me enter the cells at 42.40, but the wiki movement made me exit. Yeah, very wiki, very wiki. I mean, hasn't been the cleanest price action anyway. Hasn't really been very clean, has it? Don't get those bottom wicks without us though. I mean, it's only 50 pips away. I reckon that's coming. I do reckon that's coming. If it doesn't happen now, it's happening with the news. We're just gonna, oh yeah, that's coming. It's nothing. Going all the way down to Asian lows. H1 practically engulfed. We're getting this from yesterday right here. We're getting the same thing. The market repeats itself like a mofo. Right before news as well. Oh yeah, you was in the cells. So, oh yeah, I was gonna ask why you got out, but you did say why you got out. Yeah, this thing's coming down. The market be marketing. This dropped hard. It did. it did. Once this candle retested, man, that entry is got this was my entry. This would have been my entry right here. This would have been my entry. This is the entry I was looking for, but I 230 pip stop loss. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'd rather not take the trade than have my risk this big. I can't do it, guys. I can't do it. And then maybe if the 15 at least had a top wick, then I could say, all right, still getting on a break of this high, and then use the 15 as a stop loss. But there's no top wick here. Like, there's no, I can't zoom in close enough to see anything because it doesn't bloody exist. It doesn't exist. There's no wick, so there was no way. Maybe in terms of managing risk, maybe nah, I can't even think like that. It wasn't there. But I did want a break of the low. It didn't play out for me because this candle decided to push. This top wick decided to push all the way up. If it didn't, if we just got a bit of a top wick and then flipped and broke the low, that would have been much better. But it just didn't happen. It just didn't happen. Like, the fake out idea was there. It's just, it didn't line up. It didn't line up. It didn't line up. So look, we came down to nearly at Asian lows, but that would have been my target. Another thing is, it wouldn't even have been a 1-to-1. If I took the break of the lows and I had a stop loss up here at 230 pips, most I'm aiming for is this support at 4200. So even that's only 180 pips. So it's a negative risk reward as well. So nah. It's a shame. It's a shame. It's a shame. Sorry. Oh man. Gold left us. Gold left the building. It really did. It really, really did. So let's see what news does now. I'm still anticipating a spike down and then maybe a retest of this support, and if it's gonna be like last time, you got to push down first and then go continue to push up. Like the stream, maybe gold will treat us right. That's right. Get your likes up. Get the likes up. Gold don't love us. Oh, we got news. Had a little bit of a gap down on my broker, just a little. So I'm anticipating just a little push down and then maybe a retracement. Get the lights up so we can get the pips up. I like that. Why did we close in the middle of this range? Gold is killing me. Do you know, I can't be mad at it because can't be mad at it because I've caught some pips today. Can't be mad at it. But this right here, this did you know, fake us out a little bit. This was some BS right here. This long ass top wick. That's annoying. That's annoying. But yeah, guys, you know the deal. This news ain't really doing shit. In fact, let me be patient. It has been like 2 minutes. Let me give it another. I'll give it another 10 minutes. I'll give it another 10 minutes. But even then, I don't think I can give it 10 minutes. Do you know what? So, I'm looking for gold. Look at this 4-hour candle, man. Wow. Right now, I can't take... there's no trade opportunities for me in the middle of this range. We're not even in the middle. We're near the bottom of the range right now. So, in order for me to look for some sells, I would have to look for a breakout. But I have to clear these wicks here, which is the 4-hour lows. And then I'm looking at this range down here. So 230 pips. It's a bit of a stretch. Or I want to see if gold holds above Asian lows, maybe get a retest of the support again, creates a higher low, and then we kind of have, like, if we get rid of this old level, we do have a clean range all the way back up. 4-hour might flip bullish and then keep pushing. But this news isn't really bringing much volume in, and yeah, gold just seems to be ranging right now. So need a bit more information. I'm actually gonna just look at the charts maybe for like another hour max, and then just call it a day. So yeah, back again tomorrow. What have we got tomorrow? Tomorrow we have, I think it says unemployment claims. Yeah, unemployment claims tomorrow at 1:30. And yeah, guys, I will see you then. But be safe out here, because gold is... Look, do you know what? This is actually a really nice 5-minute double top. Where does this play out? This plays out 180. Maybe daily flip. Maybe daily flip looks good. Daily flip looks good, actually. But yeah, be careful out here, guys, and just be mindful of Asian lows and daily flip and gold playing this range, because that's what I'll be looking for. Alright, be safe out here, be safe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.